Hey there, welcome to Loopin. My name is Amay and I lead product at Loopin. Loopin is a single source of truth for all your meetings and its outcomes. Improve workplace meetings and assist hybrid teams in value creating collaborations. In short, Loopin will help you run contextual meetings. In this video, we'll talk about the two most recommended workflows on Loopin. Let's get started. Meetings are an inevitable part of your workday. Oftentimes, you're lost in finding the right context for the meetings. What did we last discuss? When did we last meet? What are the pending tasks? The meeting widget on the top refers to your ongoing or upcoming meetings. Before starting any of your meeting, Loopin provides you a quick recap of what was discussed in your previous meeting. Just hit the recap button and you'll see all the discussion points from your previous meeting. If there are any pending action items, you could start with that context. Once you've started the meeting, take collaborative meeting notes with your team. Create and assign action items. And once your meeting is completed, just send notes via Gmail, Slack, or Notion. You can expand or collapse this note using the arrow icon or simply enter into the meeting workspace to get a focused view. In the meeting workspace, Loopin has enabled meeting automations for you. For Slack, you can select a Slack channel, set a time after which you want to send the meeting minutes, and just click Save. To create a private note, click on the private note button and start creating a private note. Once you've taken the private note, you can share it by clicking on the share note button, and these notes are shared with the team to collaborate on. Now let's head over to the second recommended workflow. Time blocking is an effective way to improve focus and boost productivity. Head over to your task section. Loopin will triage all your tasks from multiple sources to help you plan better. Start adding your tasks for the day or week to your backlog. Once your backlog is curated, simply drag these tasks and add them on various days of the week to plan them. You can even add tasks directly on those specific days. Once you've added tasks to your week, open your day calendar and simply drag these tasks on any of the days that you want to schedule. You can even block time to do your task by going to the plan page, head over to your backlog, and drag these tasks on calendar. And Loopin will block time for you to perform these tasks. To set a recurring task, click on the task menu and set the recurrence of these tasks. Once you've completed these tasks, check them off to clear your list. If you're interested to know how you spend time in meetings, check out the Loopin analytics on today's page. That's about it, folks. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, reach out to us via the help chat and we'll be happy to help. To get started with Loopin, sign in with your Google Workspace email ID. Check the box for calendar permissions. We need these permissions to maintain your calendar sync with Google Calendar for the actions that you perform on Loopin. And click Continue. Once you are in, complete the onboarding steps that Loopin will guide you through, and then you're all set. And your account has been set up. To schedule your task, access the day calendar and drag a task to a suitable time. Loopin will block your time for this task and protect your calendar. You can even follow the same workflow from the plan page. Access your task panel and drag a task to any other day in the calendar to block your time.